Hi, this is Aaron, and in this video I will show you how to install our full carbon Atlas mud replacement frame for the Audi RS3, which is also available in structured carbon. So to begin with, we need to remove this whole trim piece. In order to do that, we will use prying tools. Pry in the front first and then in the back, and then get out the console and disconnect all the plugs. Once we got that frame out, we will need to loosen 4 screws, which are here. And after that, we can loosen all these clips here. We start from the bottom to the top. Basically, once those are loose, we will be able to shift down this lower assembly from the over top assembly and separate the halves. So now, after we're done with the separating, we just take the carbon frame, insert all the buttons and the gear lever, and then join the two halves together again. We start at the top and then go to the bottom clips and then insert the screws again. So once we got it together like this, we need to put in the screws. Important for the screws, just get them as tight so that the part is on the lower assembly. Not a bit tighter, just like that, and that's enough. Don't over tighten it.